The Acela-designed Disaster Portable Morgue Units, DPMUs, are mobile, self-contained refrigerated trailers used to expand morgue and hospital mortuary capabilities. Each unit is outfitted with low entry floors and ramp systems, seamless interior surfaces, and customized expandable racking systems that accommodate industry-standard equipment, shore and generator power systems. Acela's morgue trailers are available in a variety of sizes, from 14-foot up to 40-foot interior length, and all are manufactured to maintain 35-degree Fahrenheit interior temperatures in 120-degree Fahrenheit outside ambient temperatures. Acela incorporates a variety of different construction techniques and optional accessories to match any client's requirements and budget. From an escalating multi-casualty incident to a full-blown multi-fatality incident, from an on-site aircraft crash incident to a pandemic-caused mortuary surge scenario, Acela has expertly engineered solutions to match your needs.